tired of shouting into the void and want to actually connect with your customers where they already are? Let's dive straight into how to unlock the power of WhatsApp for your business using the Twilio API. First, head over to Twilio's website, Twilio.com. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Fill out the registration form with your first name, last name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you'll need it to verify your account. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a verification email from Twilio. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. This step is crucial to activate your Twilio account. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the Twilio console dashboard. Here, you'll need to provide some additional information to fully activate your account. You'll be prompted to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number, including the country code, and Twilio will send you a verification code via SMS. Now that your account is active, navigate to the programmable SMS section. Then find WhatsApp. Here you'll find Twilio's WhatsApp Sandbox. This sandbox allows you to test your WhatsApp integration before requesting full access. To connect your WhatsApp account to the Twilio Sandbox, send a WhatsApp message with the unique join code display on your Twilio console to the Twilio WhatsApp number also displayed on the screen. This will link your WhatsApp account to the Sandbox environment. Once you've tested the Sandbox and are ready to use the WhatsApp API for your business, you'll need to request production access. You will be prompted to provide information about your business and how you plan to use the API to ensure responsible usage. Congratulations, you're now on your way to connecting with your customers on WhatsApp through Twilio. Start building amazing experiences.